So you got yourself a car with a small block Ford and you want to change your oil by yourself. Not a problem. First, jack the car up. Put the jack stand under for safety. Next, loosen up the plug. Mine was 13/16, but you might be a different size. And it's lefty-loosey, counterclockwise. Now stick something under to catch the oil and undo the plug completely. Your oil probably gonna be a little bit darker than mine. This is a project car and I barely drove it in last year. Next, I like to put some silicone on the base of the plug just so it seals better, and I only put it on the base so you don't get any silicone in the oil pan. Put a plug in and tighten it. After that, right above you have a oil filter. I put strong magnets on it so it catches any fine metal flakes that pass through the filter. On some older cars you can take the oil filter from the top if you don't have as many accessories, but no such luck on this car. So we're going from the bottom, and I highly recommend you get yourself some nice wrench. I use Mobile 1 filter, M1301A filter, but make sure that's the same one for you. It's one of my favorites because they're really high quality, and Torco oil because they're the best oil there is. Great chemistry with zinc and phosphorus, and really good base, and more other additives that are really good for your engine. Also, I use 1030 with some 1040 oil because I live in Arizona. It gets really hot. Since it was recommended to have 1030 in normal temperatures, a little bit thicker oil in Arizona will do good. Plus, I'm not sure how many miles the engine has. Once you start going over 100,000 of miles, then you want to up the grade too. I'll kind of prime the filter so there's no big air bubble going through the system when you start up the car for the first time. And a little bit on the seal. Screw in the filter and just hand tight it. And I'm slapping my magnets back on. Next, pop the cap. I recommend to use a funnel and put your oil in. After 4 quarts, check the oil level. Then start the engine, run it for a few seconds, and check the oil level again. Then fill it up if needed till it's full. Cap the oil inlet. Take the stand out. Drop the car and return your used oil to a collection center like part stores. Please do not pollute. And you're done. Please subscribe and watch our videos so you can support the channel. Thank you and have an awesome Mustang day.